Izambana ikosi yokudla. Indlala uyizwa ngobatsho na unalo ngendlini. Kodwana ke abosomnotho bathi amazambana akhuphuke khulu nge10% ekuthomeni kwenyanga le. Kanti sazokhuphuka kodwa nge5% ekupheleni kwenyanga. Indleko zowapaka nazo ngokunye batsho okwenza bona abize khulu. Kukunje umgodla i10 kg uthenga nge42 rand.
I think the recent price increases can be attributed to the heavy rainfalls that we have. So the expectation is that farmers will have difficulty to get into the fields. So harvest will probably be a bit more difficult. So we can expect a short-term shortage on the markets, which will drive up prices a bit.
Ihlangano yamazambane potatoes SABC usalele emva khulu emakethe umsebenzi wokudeliver amazambane. Nje bafuna ke kuxoxiswane phakathi kwabalimi nabathengisi kobanyana abantu bazawathenga ngemali ephasi nakadeliver ngobunengi.
We found that there was about a 3 times market price correlation to what happened on the retailers market, the retailers floor specifically. What you'll see now is that we've actually had some good reaction in that gap has closed, but it also means that we need to have more conversations between ourselves and the retailers, and I'm saying ourselves as the producer side, so that issues like what happened now with the seasonality can actually translate faster into the consumer side.
Bathi nokho ekukhambeni kwesikhathi izakunzinza intengo yawo. Kodwana balemukise abantu ukuthi ngaphambi kokuthi bathenge nababona ingasuthi abiza kakhulu umuntu adlule lapho ayoqala lapho kunye.